joking earlier, that you after breaking our hearts, you're back here again, right? What takes you to Jamaica?
Really to lend a helping hand to friends. Kaipo and my other compatriots are going to participate in this first future in Jamaica. This is something that we've all been hoping for the Caribbean, and now that it's finally happened, I hope that all of us can showcase our talents and stuff and come up victorious in this
And you
tournament.
just graduated, right?
Yes, Kaipo just graduated and stuff. Zavi is looking to come for the other tournament and stuff. So it's happy just to see a Caribbean tournament in action, and everyone is now available now to show their talent and display some good tennis.
And they don't have to travel and spend too much money.
That's that. You see, that's the reason. To having the futures and stuff here, I think it opens up the world for people to come here and to enjoy the weather. It's good. It's good weather, good facility, everything, and just good tennis in the Caribbean is, I think, everyone is looking forward to. And yeah, as I say, this is the first time in years that I think we are now showcasing a pro event in the Caribbean. So happy now that it's happening, and can't wait to see what the guys produce out here.
Okay, well, you've been working with Daniel. How is he doing?
Great. Good progress. I would say for the past couple of weeks and stuff, I've been working with him. Now is the time now to really show the work that you've been putting in before. So I know that he's very anxious and excited to play. I hope he is. I'm very very excited to see what he brings out there, and even for my other compatriots, Kaipo and Zavi and everyone. So as I say, it's just a good weeks for me to be here to see what these guys can produce, and hopefully, as I say, get on the board. Even if it's their first ATP point, whatever, is a goal, and everyone is aiming for that one goal. So I can't wait to see what they showcase.
And finally, we all see you on international television in the box of Sloane Stephens.
Yes.
What's it like working with Sloane, and how has that relationship evolved over time?
Great. As I say, we've been friends from day one. We call it day one, obviously, in the Caribbean. But yeah, she's helped me out throughout my whole career and brought me and introduced me to overseas tennis and stuff. So it's something really I owe her for. I mean, I don't want to say payback, but I guess that's what friends do. And she showcased, brought me into this world. So I mean, I'm very happy to have a friend like her and to be actually in her box and supporting her. She's been doing well, as you see. She just won a tournament and stuff.
Right, on clay.
And luckily, yes, on clay. And luckily, I was there to have that joy. I'm just wishing her good luck in the upcoming events, and hopefully I'll be back soon there, obviously, to help her. But not even on that, hopefully I can be back out there, obviously, doing what I do best.